Hi, and welcome to the Easy Way channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to invert colors on your Windows 10 computer. Before we start, hit that like button while I come back, and we will continue with tutorial. Okay, to invert colors on your PC, go to Start, right-click on it and select Search. In search bar type Color Filters and select Color Filters up here. This window will open, and here, toggle this switch to On to turn on color filters. Down here, you have three options how you can invert colors. First one is Inverted. Basically, it invert colors on your display. Second one is Grayscale, and the third is Grayscale Inverted. So choose which one works best for you. Down here, you have Color Blindness Filter that makes 9 colors that are on this wheel more distinct. So you have 3 types of filter for these 3 types of color blindness. To make sure you don't have to come here every time you want to turn on or off color filter, check this box here where it says, allow the shortcut key to toggle filter on or off. Now you can be in your Windows Explorer, web browser, or anywhere else, and just press Windows logo key, plus Control, plus C key on your keyboard, and you can easily turn your color filter on or off. With this, we came to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and that it was useful to you. If it was, please hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next Easy Way tutorial. Bye.